In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see opt-in forms in kit.com. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your forms, what each type means, and how to access the most useful details so you can make smarter marketing decisions. Start by logging into your Kit dashboard. Use a modern browser and the correct account so everything loads smoothly. Once you're in, look at the top menu and click Grow. From there, choose Landing Pages and Forms. This is the central hub where all your opt-in assets live, so you don't have to jump around to find them. On this page, you'll see three main types of opt-ins. Embedded forms are designed to sit directly on your website or blog, usually within a page, a post, or a sidebar. Pop-ups appear over your content and can be timed or triggered by behavior, which makes them great for capturing attention at key moments. Landing pages are standalone pages focused on a single call to action, perfect when you need a distraction-free place to send traffic from ads, social posts, or emails. Next to each item, you'll notice subscriber counts and conversion stats. Subscriber count tells you how many people have opted in through that specific form or page. Conversion stats help you gauge effectiveness by comparing how many visitors saw the form to how many subscribed. Use these numbers to identify your best performers and spot forms that may need a clearer headline, stronger incentive, or a simpler layout. Click any form to open its details. Here, you can edit the design to match your brand style and ensure the message is clear and concise. You can change incentives or lead magnets, things like checklists, templates, or guides that motivate people to subscribe. A focused, high-value incentive typically converts better than something broad. You can also view subscribers to see who's signing up through that form. This is helpful for understanding which sources bring in the most engaged audience. If you need to place a form on your site, grab the embed code from this view and add it to your website builder where you want the form to appear. Finally, connect automations so new subscribers receive the right follow-up, such as a welcome sequence or delivery of the lead magnet. Make sure the correct list, tag, or sequence is selected so people get the content you promised. That's it. Log in, go to Grow, then Landing Pages and Forms, review what you have, and dive into each form to fine-tune design, incentives, subscribers, embed code, and automations.